Good morning. I'm at the High Knob Observation and Picnic Area in the Shawnee National Forest. It's a rec area in between Garden of the Gods and what was the other place? The one that we went to last spring, and I'm trying to think of the name of it now. Rimrock, sorry. It just didn't come to me. But we're gonna explore around here. Some things that we're looking for are going to be right off the River to River Trail, which is Illinois' long distance trail, connecting the Missouri River and the Mississippi River. I think some things are off trail, so not really sure exactly how to describe getting to them, but we're going to just tool around out here for a little bit, and thought we would take you along. So this is the little picnic area, and this is the view from it. My understanding, this is where a fire tower used to be. We are the only people here. It's very windy and about 35 degrees. And a little bit of an idea what the fire tower at one point looked like. So we're going to take off down this little trail for just a little bit and branch off. Trail 105. Now, that's the thing with GPSs and off-trail stuff, is it just draws you a straight line to where you want to go. And anyhow, I think that is where we need to be, seeing as right now GPS says we are at where I want to be. So we got to find ourselves a way down. It's pretty cool down there though, isn't it? Yep, some little daffodils. There's a little slot right there that'd be kind of neat to run through too, but we're going to go back up this way again, see if that gets us any closer to that ridge line. I don't think it's going to. Oh, maybe it might. Yeah, my wife just found this little bird's nest. And it's pretty neat. Looks like it belongs right there. It's only a foot and a half, 2 feet off the ground now. It's pretty interesting. Wonder who it belongs to. So we worked our way back towards the truck, and I'm gonna run the actual trail out for a ways. Hopefully it'll come down off that bluff and we can backtrack towards that other spot. I hope. If not, then we'll just walk this trail for a while and turn around and come back. Not in the direction I want to go, but that is pretty neat. Yeah, that is neat. That's a pretty neat little rock formation. I'll go up here to this mossy corner and check out this side. Roofy, the trail's gonna, yeah, see there's the stairs to go down and around it, but I'm gonna go over here for a second. Yeah, down and around. I think hopefully it hooks to the right here where, yeah. Oh look, it almost looks like its own little natural cairn. That is. Yeah. That's a pretty cool rock, really. It's a pretty good run of stairs. Wet mud and leaves make it pretty slippery. Oh wow, this is really cool down here. Yeah, if you don't find the cave, it's no big deal. This is pretty cool too. Yeah. Well, 105A hopefully loops us around, but
105A is the one?
I hope so. But yeah, we need to go to the right if we're going to try to find the cave. If you can just play around in here for a few minutes too.
We got to come back this way, right?
I think so. Yeah. This is really neat. Oh, look at this. This is just pretty cool. There's the bluff as we just came off of it, so maybe we can get around it better. Yeah. It's pretty out here.
It's very pretty.
Yeah.
I love this stuff.
Oh yeah, I could.
I'm not taking my jacket off.
I like all the little dimples and stuff, which I kind of find charming for some reason. Here we go. There's our blaze again, 105A. Ooh, a wooden staircase this time. And yep, some more of the bluff. I know there's stairs. The woods down there. Yep. The wind has finally quit, so this is becoming a better day. That's a pretty cool little rock house too. Or outcropping anyhow. Pretty neat. Curiosity says this has got to go somewhere, but anyhow, probably not far, who knows. No, not real far. Well, maybe. Yeah. And we'll just go around here. There's my wife again. That's pretty neat. Alright, Riffy, I circled the boulder.
It went through.
Yeah.
I did not expect to see you.
That's kind of cool.
I almost said, take a little.
He's a tall little fella, isn't he? Look at that slot right there. It's a pretty cool bluff, really. I like the ferns and stuff growing off the side of it with the algae. Gives it a ancient sort of feel. It's too little, you can barely see the light coming in. Two separate rocks. Look at this. This is pretty neat. Little slotted cubby hole. Little Lena rock for a roof. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we just came from down there up here, and that's where I'm trying to get to. That tree up there is where I was standing when we first started the video, looking down into this area. And of course that's the GPS drew me a straight line right to that. So give me a couple seconds, I gotta get a flashlight. It is known as Bat Cave, I think. I don't know if that's the official name or not. I picked this up from Hiking with Sean's channel, and I got the landmarks from another location, and they just called it Cave, so I'll put the two together. But I'm gonna get my little flashlight and we'll go up in there for a few. Alright, we're going in. Let's see here. Yeah. There we go.
Do I need my stick?
No, I don't think so. It didn't look like you did. Huh?
Can I follow?
Yeah, please.
You got light.
Not much of one, but I do have a light.
Oh, wow.
This is pretty awesome.
Oh, wow. This
Yeah.
is the cave.
This is the cave, yeah. You don't go back very far, but it's pretty neat. Some drips, some clear water. Yeah. Oh, I just got dripped on. This is pretty cool. And what do you think, Ruthie?
I like it. When you get done, I want to have you shine your light up that hole up there.
Oh, okay. Yep. Let me get back out of the drips. What are we looking at? Straight
I want
up.
to look up.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't have, oh, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Note to self, bring flashlight. Oh, crafting light.
Yeah.
Wow, babe.
Didn't you just get a new headlamp for the holidays?
Yes, and
Okay, so now from down here, we're going to find our way back up the top. Probably much easier than we are trying to come down from. So that was pretty neat though, wasn't it? Oh, these are kind of cool too. Yeah. This is pretty cool. And this is how we missed it from the top. Did not recognize the stairs. Yeah. That's cool though, because it made us go around the bluff, and that was pretty cool. See, don't they look familiar? And the stairs that we missed. Yeah. Anyhow, so we are right back to that little rock house like we started off earlier this morning. And we're not done yet though. There's a couple more things here in the High Knob area that we want to find, so give us a couple minutes to get back to the truck, likely move it, and we'll get back to exploring some more.